Hi students, so this topic is related to power sharing. This is part 1 and we are going to discuss ethnic composition in this class. Ethnic composition का मतलब क्या होता है? Ethnic composition is basically a cultural division on the basis of different interest like different religion, different nationality. People belonging to the same ethnic group believes in the common language, common culture, while people belonging to different ethnic groups have their different cultural identities. So we are going to study ethnic composition of the two countries, that is Belgium and Sri Lanka. So this slide is related to ethnic composition of the country Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe. It is even smaller than the state of Haryana. It actually share border with the countries like Netherlands, France and Germany. The entire ethnic composition of the Belgium is as follow. 59% in the country speaks Dutch, 40% in the country Belgium speaks French, and 1% in the entire country speaks German. So this next slide also states the ethnic composition of the Belgium. The capital city of Belgium, that is Brussels, its ethnic composition is different from the entire country. So like in the capital of the country, 80% people speak French, 20% speak Dutch. The minority French speaking people were very rich and powerful, while the Dutch speaking community got special benefits very later. This leads to internal conflicts between the two communities in the country of Belgium. So this slide is related to the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island nation just a few kilometers off the southern coast of Tamil Nadu. It has about 2 crore people, about the same as in Haryana. And like other nations in the South Asian region, Sri Lanka also has a diverse population. The major social groups are Sinhala speakers who used to speak Sinhalese and used to follow the culture of Buddhism. Their proportion in the population is 74%, while the Tamil speakers are 18% in the entire country. Among Tamils, there are two subgroups. Tamil natives of the country, who are also called as Sri Lankan Tamils, were 13%, and the rest, whose forefathers came from India as plantation workers during the colonial period, are called as Indian Tamils. Sinhalas used to follow the culture of Buddhism, while Tamils were bifurcated into two different religions called as Hinduism or Islam. 7% were Christians. They were from both the communities, that is Sinhalas and Tamils.